This video is to start you off for your returning housing selection process. This is the first step for you to get your priority number and to set you up prior to starting your group matching. This is the first video of 3 to get set up. Follow these instructions to get started for your fall housing placement. You have already received a link with your housing guide and you'll log in using your Wingate credentials. We're going to use Victor Bulldog as our example today. The first thing that you'll notice is that it should have your name, your ID number, as well as your email. Down here, you'll see any current room assignments that you have, as well as your roommates. Right now, Victor does not live on campus with us, but he's looking to live on campus with us this fall, which is the same process whether you're a current student living on campus or a current student living off campus. The first thing that you'll want to do is get your priority number, and that could be found right here at the top. Go ahead and click on your application. And the first thing that you'll see in your application is the housing contract. This is basically stating all of our policies and expectations for living on campus. Once you have read through this and have agreed to it, go ahead and sign your application. We'll use Victor's signature right here. You also want to look up any information you have as far as updating your mobile phone, your mobile carrier, as well as filling out every piece of information here. Did you live on campus? Victor says no, does not plan on living on Greek housing. He's looking for a roommate. This is also an option. I know who my roommates will be. Regardless of how you answer that question, we do ask that you fill out the following information to give us more demographic information on you to help others who might be looking for roommate matches, or if you don't have a full matching, folks can search you in the future. Once you have finished answering these questions, you can say that you understand that by submitting this application, you're picking a priority number. This is important as if you have multiple applications that you can choose from, you are saying that this is the one that you want to select. Go ahead and select I agree, press continue. We also want to make sure that your updated emergency contact information is set up. So make sure that all of this information is correct for your emergency contact and press continue. That is it. All you have to do is those couple steps in order to get your priority number. Once you have finished, in the next 48 hours, when you go back to your home screen here, your housing selection number, your priority number will show up here. And I'll show you that in just a moment. Now that Victor has completed his housing application, he can start doing roommate matching as well. As you can see here, his priority number has already shown up. It's been about 48 hours, and he can see that his priority number is number 1. You don't need to worry about your group priority number or your start time until you have completed the next step, and that is roommate matching. Check out our next video to see more information regarding roommate matching.